Okay, so now let's look at question number 17, part A of the applied mathematics paper. So this is the probability question. So let's see. So they have mentioned there's a box one that contains two white balls and three black balls. So let's just draw a box and keep track of that. So we have two white and three black balls in box one. Then they are identical in all aspects except for their colors, right? After that, they are saying three balls are transferred at random from box one into an empty box B2, right? So there's another box B2 which is empty, and we are going to transfer three balls at random to box 2, right? Then a ball is drawn at random from box 2, and we are supposed to find the probability first part that the ball drawn from box 2 is white, right? So from box 1 we have to transfer three balls. So one way to do this is you will get three black balls. Another way is two black balls and one white, and the other way is one black ball and two white. So those are the only possible combinations when we consider three balls, right? So for each one, I will name them as case 1, case 2, and case 3, right? Then let's look at the probability we want to find. We want the ball drawn from box 2 to be white, right? So let's say W. Let me denote the event ball drawn from B2 to be W. So this is our event. Ball drawn from B2 is white. That is the event, right? Okay, so now let's see how we can find this probability. So we want probability W's. So that can happen in three ways, no? Case 1, case 2, case 3, right? So then first one is you draw it from case 1, then if it is from case 1, what is the probability of it being white? Similarly, next one is from case 2, and next one is case 3, right? So these can also be written as uh, intersections. So this is just the intersection of this one. This is just the intersection of this, and this is just the intersection of this one, right? Okay, right. Now let's see how to find these probabilities. We need probability of C1, probability of C2, and probability of C3, right? So probability of C1. So let's figure that out first. Case 1. So case 1 is we transferred three black balls, right? So how many ways can we pick three balls from 5? That is 5C3. And how many black balls? 3C3. So that is going to be what? 1 over Phi C3 is what? Phi C3 is. Right. Phi C3 is 10. So 1 over 10. So that is the probability of choosing case 1. Then let's figure out probability of case 2. Again, total number of ways we can pick 3 balls from 5 is Phi C3. Then here we want 2 black and 1 white. So there's 3 black balls. So we need 2 of them times 1 white. So this is going to be 3 times 2 over 10 or 6 over 10. And the only other case is PC3, which is what? Which is 1 black, 2 white. 1 black, 3C1 and 2 white, 2C2. So 3 times 1 over 10. So 3 over 10. Right. So we have figured out those probabilities. Right. Then let's substitute them in here. Let me say this as equation 1. So let's substitute those probabilities in equation 1. So then we get PW, this is PC1. PC1 is 1 over 10 plus PW's 2. This is 6 over 10 plus conditional probability of this one times 3 over 10. Right. So now we need these 3 probabilities. This one, and this one. Right. So this one is what? If we choose case 1, what is the probability of picking a white ball? So let's look at case 1. Case 1 is where the box 2 has 3 black balls. So you can't pick a white ball. So that probability is going to be what? That probability is just going to be 0. So that is 0 times 1 over 10 plus. Then next one is you choose case 2 and then pick a white one. So now we are in this case. Your box 2 has 2 black balls and 1 white ball. So what is the probability of picking the white ball? That is 1/3. So that is going to be just 1/3 times 6 over 10. Then the third case. In the third case, you have 1 black ball and 2 white balls, and we have to pick 1 white ball. So what is the probability of picking the white ball? That is 2 over 3. Now let's just simplify this, and we have the answer for part 1. So 0, 0, then 6 over 30 plus 6 over 30. So this is just going to turn into what? This is just going to turn into 12 over 30. That is going to be 6 over 15 or 2 over 5.4. Right. So probability of picking a white ball is 0.4. Right. Now let's look at the second part. Second part is what? Right. We want to find the probability 2 white balls and when 1 black ball are transferred from box B1 into box B2, given that drawn ball from box B2 is white. Right. So this is a conditional probability, no? So it is conditioned on drawn ball is white. If it is white, what is the chance that it came from 2 white balls and one black ball case? So that is which one? So that is case 3 according to this. 2 white, 1 black. Right. So let's find that. So the conditional probability is this. This represents 2 white, 1 black. We already know we choose a white. So this is going to be what? PW. And up here we have what? PWC3 times PC3. Right. So then let's figure that out. We already know that, no? That is this amount. What is in the numerator is going to be that PWC is 2 over 3 and PC3 is 3 over 10. So from there you get 2 over 3 times 3 over 10, and we have already figured out PW, which is 0.4. Now simplify. So we have 0.2 over 0.4 or half. Right. So that is the answer for question number 17, part A. Right. So next we will look at part B of question number 17.